my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more.
Hi guys. You guys, I went out today and the weather is not even funny. It's like, I don't even know, probably maybe like -24, -25, but cold was like crazy outside, and I couldn't necessarily vlog because I went to the mall to shop for Christmas. Yes, and I'm so excited because I didn't go to the mall with the intention of buying myself a perfume, but there was this lady that, I must tell you the honest truth, her sales game is she caught me. She was like, free sample, try out. And then I tried it and I was like, hold on a minute. And then I came back to the store and she goes, oh, I'll show you this, I'll show you that. And to my surprise, budget that's, I thought that she really took me out of my budget because I did not plan to buy it. But yeah, it is an Arabian perfume brand, and that's the perfume, guys. It's first time trial, and she gave me contact, so in case I wanted to come back for like more perfume. So the name of the perfume is Arabian Tonka. So it's first time, but I'm telling you, the trial of it, I tried. Wait to see me this December. Hopefully season. Yeah, and favorites for the year, Bath and Body Works. Don't play. I should actually become their brand ambassador because since when I stepped my leg inside this country, I have been buying Bath and Body consistently. So yeah, I got some nice scents for, you know, the girlies, and I also bought nice scents for the men. So we're gonna be unboxing this together for Christmas, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So I was on my way to work here, and it was currently 6 a.m. This past few days they have been snow piling up on the floor, and it's been crazy. As you can see, there's a pile of snow just by the corner because yeah, this morning they were just clearing up the snow, and it's just very helpful, I must say, because the degree at which the snow was getting to was crazy. Hey guys, I'm currently on my way to work. It's 7:31 a.m. It's cold, but the money has to be made. But yeah, I'm on my way to work. And you are still sleeping. Wake up. So we had a work dinner for the end of the year party, and I ordered this gown from Fashion Nova. It came a day earlier, which I was so excited about, and believe me, it even turned out better than I expected. Basically, it's just a black dress, nothing too serious, just a normal dress, and basically black is my best color, so I was really excited to have this dress. I got it in a size medium, and it fit just perfectly. It's still exam season, so practically I have 2 exams. It's currently the 12th of December. I have 2 exams, and one is by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. And this is just me. I have my question banks here. I have 4 more chapters to revise before I go to bed tonight. So you guys, oblate season, yes, but exam season, yes. So you guys, I just came out from an African store. I went to buy shombo and African chicken. Shombo for stew and then chicken. So we got Christmas cheerboard here. Yeah. What up for who no bake this Christmas? Oh, they even gave chocolate this year. Yay! Oh, inside this piece of ginger. Yeah. Oh, So it seems. So do you guys remember the dress I showed you at the start of this video? This was it, and this was me at the work dinner night prepping with my sister, who happened to have been my date for that day. This was me just like admiring myself in the mirror, because for some reason I picked up this gown from the work section of Fashion Nova, but on this day I wore it like it ate 100%. Like it was really giving. You know, it's still winter when you still have to slay and put on your winter jacket. That was us literally on that night.
For my peace, wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more than this. Yeah.
So there's a blizzard outside, and Jesus Christ. This is what the outside of my door looks like, guys. There's a blizzard outside. Hey! Jesus, oh Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, it's so crazy out here. Oh my God. Jesus. It's a blizzard. Yeah, guys. And my vision is so bad. Jesus Christ. Hey! Take a look at this. My vision failed me a million times today. Like, my vision failed me. For the second time, I will never forget. Look at how bad it is. So I had to stay over at Planet Fitness because technically I was not able to open my work entrance because it was blocked off by a pile of snow, and I was just chilling in Planet Fitness as the best neighbor that they are before my coworker came and helped us clear the snow that morning. It was just me just ranting about like the struggles I faced this today and this fateful day, because it was so dreadfully hard and the buses were terrible. I was not feeling quite well. Like, it was just not the typical day one would genuinely look forward to, if I'll be honest with you. Yeah. Bus literally stopped moving.
Even though it says 3 minutes, that it's still
gonna be late. Yeah. Oh my God. This day was changing day. I woke up, me, my sisters, and her friend made changing, and this was us basically just packing the changing into like individual ziplocs for like everyone to take home. It was a very fun experience of good bonding, good vibes, and just vibes on vibes, man. Maybe I should take off my cap. We're at Polo Park, came to do Christmas shopping. Please say hi to my camera. Oh, hi, that's praise. Hashtag. Yeah, guys, she's running away, but anyway.
That cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship.
Hi guys, guess where I am? On the car. So it's my first time since when I came to Canada entering Liquor Mart, because yeah, I've had an ID done earlier this year, but I didn't come to the store before, and I'm just happy to be here. I don't know why. I literally had to ask if I had permission to vlog. At this. Hi, good morning. Okay, quick one because I'm running late to catch my bus. So today at work it is Christmas Eve, and technically we were told to wear sorry, my eyes are so tiny. Today is like all red at work, and this is just my feet, and yeah, I gotta go run catch my bus, please guys. Hopefully I do not miss my bus, but yeah. Look at my glow.
that cannot be moved. Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom.
Hi. So I got lots of gifts this year, and I also got for my friends as well. But first of all, this mug, I really like it because I like taking teas a lot. It's just very naughty and very nice. So yeah, that's one of the stuff I got. And I really appreciate this packaging for this chocolate box because it's really fancy. I don't know what this is. I haven't opened it, but yeah. Put that aside. You see this box? Presents. This year, call me Oble Master because I decided to get presents for every special person in my life, and I really hope they feel the love when I give this to them. See this glow? It's not for nothing. So skincare sets with body wash, cream, very aesthetically pleasing. Clothes. Of course, card and content inside of it. Another card celebrates grace, guys. Card again. These kids, I like cards, so get me cards. You guys, money celebrates Oble season. I got this perfume samples for Christmas, and it smells really great as well. And my manager got me this, which has some skincare stuff and stockings for the weather. So yeah, it's really giving what you should give. I so much love this perfume, and I'm so grateful for having it given to me. I've seen it on the internet, but I've never actually gotten it for myself. The packaging is tea, okay? So yeah, look at it. Ooh, oh, fancy. I've actually smelled like the perfume before from my friend, but never owned it for my personal self. Time to spray. I'm trying to see if the one I sprayed in the afternoon is still there so that I'll know what I'm doing going forward. But yeah. Okay. Out here, we let perfume sit for some time, you know. Doesn't smell bad though. But you have to let, it's a bit strong for me, so I have to like let it to like settle down. But new baby. But yeah, I have to let it settle down. It's actually maybe not yet, but maybe oh well. If you've come this far in my YouTube video, I want to say a huge thank you to you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I wish you all a merry Christmas. Please stay warm out there and keep glowing. Bye.